Welcome to Homework Answers. We're going through the textbook C++ Programs to Accompany Programming Logic and Design, 8th edition by Joanne Smith. And in this video we're covering Lab 4-1. Make sure to correct whatever changes I've made in this. They're usually just numbers or names. Very simple. So with this problem, what we're doing is trying to figure out how much a sine is going to cost. There aren't any inputs, so no inputs. We've already declared basically everything that our sine is going to have in the area where we have our variables. So if you look here, we've got a variable for number of letters, and we're just saying that we've got 10 letters that are going to be on the sine. We've got our charge, so whatever the total cost of the sine is, that's going to be stored in this variable, and we've initialized that to 0 to start. We've got a string for our letter color, so whatever letters we have on there, they're going to be a certain color, and we've initialized that to platinum. And then we've got the type of wood that our sine is going to have, and we've said it's going to be bamboo. Now there's a couple of things with this problem as well. If we have over 6 characters on the sine, then there's going to be a charge for each one of those characters. So the first 6 are going to be free, or that's included. And there's also a charge for using platinum lettering, and there's also a charge for using bamboo. And so if you use any other types of wood or any other colors, we would just say there's, it's included in the base charge for the sine. So the sine is going to be at least 40. That's where down here we have, if our charge is less than 40, then the charge is going to equal 40. So the sine is not ever going to be less than $40. But whatever we have that's going to be an addition, then we're going to add that to 40. So if we have upgraded wood and lettering and we have more than 6 letters, we're going to add those charges to the base price of 40. So we're going to go into here and look at our if statements. So if the number of letters is going to be greater than 6, because that's 6 letters are included, then we're going to have charge is equal to the number of letters minus the included ones, of course. So the leftover ones will be multiplied by 4. So each one of them is going to cost $4 each. And I've just made a note here, that's going to be 16. 10 minus 6 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16. Then we've got our wood type. And if our wood type is equal to bamboo, which it is, then we're going to charge $18 for that. So charge now is equal to charge plus 18. So that 16 that's stored in charge is going to be added to 18. So the new charge is going to be 34. Now remember, charge plus equals 18 is the same as saying charge equals charge plus 18. And that second charge that would be understood here contains 16. Or what it, whatever number was previously stored in charge. So the new charge is over here. So whatever 16 plus 18 is 34, that is now stored in the variable charge. And we carry that to the next line. If the letter color is equal to platinum, which it is, then charge, this new charge, is equal to that 34 charge plus 14. So 34 plus 14 is 48. And now we're going to check to see if our charge is less than 40, which it's not. So if it was like 30, we would just output the charge is equal to 40. But it's not, so it's we're going to check for the next little thing. If charge is greater than or equal to 40, then the final charge here is equal to that 48 plus 40, which gives us 88. Then we output the charge for this sine is $sign. We'll set precision to 2 and fixed, so we have 2 decimal places, charge and line. Let's go ahead and run it and check it out. It should be 88. And it is. So this one's not not too difficult. They just basically want a bunch of if statements, and I think we got it here. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lab.